So it's 5:15. I came and I let them out the playpen and they start digging into her food. So I'm like, well, but they were in there most of the day. So 6:24 a.m. She's eating the dry food. Oh, I just heard Lucky. So it's 6:24 and they are up. Y'all up? Y'all up? Cause she's hungry, huh? Okay. So it's 6:30 a.m. and this is March 9th. March 9th, 2024. And I'm gonna give her some more food, but as I can see, no. So it's 6:31 a.m. and today is Saturday, March 9th, 2024, and she was very hungry. I gave her that, so I'm gonna have to go buy some more cat food today. I'm down to this and I gotta feed the cats outside, so I gotta clean up in here. But I'm so glad that I have bought this playpen, because these little guys, look at them. I'm gonna put this one in there. So I gotta clean that one. But I just wanna clean the whole area first. But they like it. They're used to this now. Oh my goodness, they like it. So it's 6:50 a.m. and that seems like it's the voice. That's the voice. Happy Saturday. So I'm gonna take this food around the back and set one over there for the Panther when she comes. So it was a lot of food in that tray. So I'll leave it there, and since it stopped raining, they'll eat the rest of it. But that's just the one I put in for today's Saturday. That's good because it's like a little bug. That's a frisky one. Mm-hmm. That's a frisky one. She looking. She like, what's happening? What's happening? Just go ahead and rub it too. So it's 9:52 a.m. and we kind of washed the babies just a little bit. It wasn't a thorough cleaning, but we got them immersed in the water, and I'm thinking there was some red stuff on them, probably when she gave birth to them, maybe some dry blood. But you know, I'll do it again in probably a couple of weeks. And then we had to clean. Hey, we cleaned you too. We cleaned you too. Yes. Lucky was smelling. Yeah. Okay, I had to give this area a good cleaning and mopping and clean around there, because I guess maybe when she was cleaning the babies and she may have, you know, taken some of their bowel in, and so she had the runs all on the side. So my daughter helped me to wash Lucky. She came upstairs, and so we just washed her up there and then kind of wiped the babies off. Well, we washed them too, so yeah, and it looked like they may have had some dry blood on them still from when they were born. Yep. That she's letting them nurse. So this is some of the garbage from yesterday, and those little 2 cushion things came in this. So I'm still working. So it's 11 a.m. and probably like around 20 minutes ago I finished, and I had put those little cushion things in the wash machine. You know, it'll get them kind of decent. It's like an older wash machine. Most of the time I don't use it. But, you know, I was like, let me just clean this stuff because it's smelling. Oh, they're feeding right now. But you smell this coffee? You smell this coffee? So 7:25 a.m. and today is Sunday. I'm down here late because somebody was trying to hack into my email at 3 something. Oh Lord. It's 7:28 a.m. and today is Sunday. Okay, Lucky is hungry. I'm gonna start her off with this. Today is February 10th, so I decided to add a can of this chicken and tuna. Alrighty. So 7:36 a.m. and they are quite adjust to this when they come in during the morning. I just have to find a way to keep this tied in. So today is Sunday, March 10th, 2024. So this is the voice. I haven't seen the panther. So today I'm not gonna put out all that food like I did before. I'll just put some in the rear of the garage. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday to the voice. Happy Sunday to the voice. They're knocked off except that one. So it's 6:37. Yeah, been in there all day. Hey. Okay. You ready? You hungry too, huh? Okay. So they really like this right here. The other one's playing. I just let them out. They've been in the playpen all day. So now I'm gonna go clean out the playpen, and I see that Lucky still has the runs or something. So I'm gonna kind of clean up down here. So at 7:17, that just giving Ginger something to eat. Oh, she wants to eat the dry food. Okay, happy Monday, and today is March. Is it the 12th, 11th? But today is Ramadan. Happy Ramadan Mubarak. So it's 7:25, and it's obvious that they want to feed, and she don't want to be bothered, maybe because she's hungry first. Oh my God! Look at her. Okay, I put them in the playpen. She like, no. Lucky says no. Oh, she's standing by me. Oh, Lucky, you too much. Okay. All right. She's like, get him away from me. And then I hear the panther outside. So that's the panther. Haven't seen the panther in a while, so I knew Lucky would be happy to see the panther. And I just shut the door where the babies are. put a voice out there looking. She must be hungry. So the panther's here today. She's probably trying to get warm. But as soon as I take the food out, she's gonna go out. So look at her, she's hungry. So that's weird. The panther came back inside. So I left that food right there. But I haven't seen the Zimba look-alike in a while. So it's 7:37 a.m. And this is the panther right here. I think she really liked that tuna. Because she definitely likes to eat with smelling. She was smelling it. And that's the voice. And today is Ramadan. It's Ramadan Mubarak today. Happy Monday. And Lucky's in there feeding right now. So it's 7:07 p.m. and look at them. They're climbing up there. Yo, I'm not playing. Hey! Hey! Y'all ready to get out? So it's 7:26 and eating. And I wonder if this is the same cat that's been eating the same kitten. But they love this. This is healthy. And I add like a little water to it. And these two is just gone playing. Just playing. It bothers me that nail is out. I think tomorrow we'll try to pull it out. Oh, he jumped to the steps. Oh, heck no. Oh, you too much. Can you get back down now? Oh. Can you get down, poo-poo? Oh. Uh-oh. Okay. So every night I set it up like this. And this is where they sleep. So I think they'll run and play for a while because they're eating. Then they'll settle down. So it's 7:47 a.m., which is technically 6:47 because time went up an hour. Hey, you guys. Y'all ready to go in the playpen? Okay, if I could step down, if I could get down. Okay, I'm rolling over. Okay. So it's 7:52 a.m. and today is March 12, 2024. Today is Tuesday. So at the end of the day, well, maybe twice I may have to clean it when they're in it, but I clean it real good. And before I put them back in, I put like a clean padding down. But they get used to it. And they like it. So it's 7:59 a.m. and this is the voice out here. So I'm gonna leave these two because sometimes I have too much food in there. I'm gonna put one behind the garage, one inside here. So it's 8:11 a.m. and I had to put them some food in there because she didn't want to be bothered this morning. So that they can have something. I put her in there twice and I took her out and look at, she's relaxing like, thank God. Look, you want to be bothered. So it's 8:40 and I'm just seeing gingerbread. I thought she had got out. this morning when my sister dropped some food off of my mother. And you just coming out of hiding. Where you been? These four here is too cute. How could you separate them? How can you separate these little guys? She stayed in there so she can eat their food that I put in. So it's 7:36 a.m. and they're busy all over the place. So I'm so happy that I had bought that playpen to get you guys, to get y'all, to put y'all in the playpen so Lucky can enjoy her food. So Lucky can enjoy her food. Look at her, she's hungry. Okay. So 7:46 a.m. and the voice is out there, right there. See a part of his ear. Lucky knows she got babies in here. Okay, Lucky. 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 Now she gonna act like she don't hear me. Lucky. Get back over there, yeah? You know what time it is. So that's the Panther, and this is the voice. Happy Wednesday. She must be enjoying her food. I had to order some more of the Perfect, that food by Rachel Ray, because they really like that. And so I bought this yesterday at Mariano's. You see, it has one bowl there, but then guess she don't want me over there bothering them. That's what it is. Okay. So it's 11:56 and they like to huddle up together. It looks so cute like that. Oh my God. Oh wow. So it's for 7:48 a.m. and one is still on there. One little kitty. So these little guys they made 6 weeks yesterday. It's so quick. Let me turn the light on. The first thing I'm gonna do is put them in the playpen. So it's 18 a.m. I put them in the playpen and found like an old sheet. Had them up. So they're nice and quiet, especially when I turn the light back off. So I just left Walmart because I looked online to see how I can order some. I was going to get some through Amazon. And it may take, a day or two, but I said, let me check Walmart out. And they had these for like $25. So it's not bad. And it's 100 that I could use for the kittens when I put them in the playpen. And then I cover the other little things too. The cushion beds. Yeah, nice and too bad in there. Hey, y'all ready to get out? So y'all can run. So y'all can run. Run. Okay. So it's 7:49 a.m. and they are on the steps. Oh my God. Woo. That one that looked just like Lucky. She was the first one I saw that jumped on the stairs. Oh my God, y'all too much. So they are 6 weeks old and they will be 7 weeks next Wednesday. Let's see what Lucky does. She just goes in front of me like, how can I step down? Come on, move it. Okay, you were saying, you were acting like you hungry, but you all over me. They driving you crazy this morning. Oh man. You gonna fall? Okay. All righty. It's ready for me. Open this door. Look at her. Open it and lock them up. That's what she's saying. She's like, open it up and lock them up, huh? So I bought some these pads, some more from Walmart yesterday. And I had to order like one of those around covering for that, but I clean it every day. Look at them playing. And this one right here. So I had to clean up all this stuff. So it's 7:58. And normally I clean up all this stuff, but I had a feeling they were out there. So that's the panther right here, and that's the voice, because it rained so bad yesterday, I never saw them. So happy Friday, guys. And see, I closed the door where the little kittens are. So, okay, here I come. Your food is out there now. Okay. So the panther didn't really eat anything. So I put one container behind the garage out that way. And, so one of them had climbed the top. It's almost about to go over. And so I'm gonna have to sew the net. I mean, not sew the net, but zip it up. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So I normally, when I first ran across these was at the Walmarts on Cicero on 20 something, not far from the old racetrack. And because a lot of the Walmarts don't carry it, but I guess you could order it online. But I ran across Chewy.com. My daughter was like, just order it online. And Chewy.com is where Nefertiti used to get Genghis medicated dry food. So they have it, and I ordered more of this. And so these kittens really like it, and it's healthier. They like it. And I also ordered this too from Chewy.com. So start cleaning up down here, clean the litter, mop, and all of that. 7:14 p.m. The one got out. That's probably the one. He got out. But the other ones is in there. They're in there relaxing. Look at them just huddled up together. Y'all relaxing? Will that boo-boo get out? You get out. You get out. Hey. Okay. This one done jumped up there from the floor. Oh my goodness. You a jumper. You done jumped up from the floor. You gonna let go? Oh my goodness. Go in there. Let me shut the. No, no. Go back. Oh. They come out with all kind of little superpowers. Okay. Oh, wow. You really can't keep up with them now. They come out there. So I like these little pads from Walmart. They happen to be the exact size for these cushions, where I could, every night, the next day I throw them in the garbage, and so they work out good. But I ordered some more for the playpen because the playpen is bigger, so I had to go in there and clean the playpen out now. So they're gonna play for a while. I'm gonna clean this up real good. So it's 7:37 a.m. These little guys is everywhere now. They look like they have been out all night. And just got in early this morning. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I put some more of these training pads in here, even though these are actually small, so I had to use quite a bit to just cover it. So now I'm gonna put them in here, but I just don't, I feel bad that I'm gonna have to zip it up because one of them got out, so let me see. So it's 7:54, and this is the voice. See the panther? Today is Saturday. So I'm gonna take these containers over here. I'm gonna leave that one there for the panther whenever she comes. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday to you. So it's 9:29, and before I left, I had to mop down here. In a rush with time. And today is Saturday. So I ordered this for the cats. I guess these are supposed to be like larger pads that could really cover. Let's take a look at all these. Yeah, see, this will cover more area of that playpen. So, and this is the pad that really goes for the playpen. It's not a, it's something that, yes. the blue pad that normally you would purchase also, or normally would come with the playpen. It costs $70-something. I'm guessing these are the toys that I got for them. So see how they do it. They put it in this plastic and it's wrapped, so as soon as you take it out, it unfolds. So it's like flat. This how these instructions. So this is how it looks. It's cute though. They love to play, man. They just, look guys. Yes. Cost me $24. Guess in tax. See, look at him. I'll unzip that net. You see your baby? Look, he's holding. Ow! Look at them little nails. He holding on. You better let go. You better let go. There you go. There you go. I'm gonna zip it back up now. Try to get ready for y'all to come out. So I'm using these pads to cover the cushions. You ready for the babies to come out? Okay. So they got the playpen and they just running and playing. This one just came from under the washing machine. Oh, see the other one? Oh, it's too much. My God. Oh my gosh. That had to hurt. King is so scratch board. another one over there somewhere. I'll turn this light off. So it's 8:14 and this one is on the stairs this morning. So it looks like Lucky probably threw up. Look at that little cat. She's still comfortable. I'm gonna put that one inside. She's comfortable. These other ones are just roaming around. They're just and she's ready for me to put them in the playpen. The one kitty, she was so comfortable on that I put it inside, but I always make sure things is pretty clean. So it's 8:32 a.m. and today must be the March 17, 2024. This is the voice, and the Panther was out here. I guess she'll be right back. So it's 10:24. I always have to make sure. You relaxing? Y'all relaxing? Okay, Lucky. Okay. So I had to give Lucky this because I guess she got tired of the other food I've been feeding her, which was this and this. So I gave her that can, and so she's eating. I'm gonna make sure that later on I'm not gonna have like a little food because she threw up. So it's 10:29 and I'm just getting back downstairs to finish cleaning down here. So it looks much better and smells much better down in this area. Or else you could just wipe them with this and then with a towel. Okay. So.
Hey, y'all.
We ain't gotta saturate them. But what we gonna do? Hey. Oh, see, has an SMS right there?
Yeah, so.
See? Oops. Okay, so, and you're baptized in the name of the Spirit and not walking over that way? Okay, you're baptized. You're baptized.
Hey, little. You're baptized! It's bath time, guys. Yeah, it's bath time.